Hey guys, hello and welcome back to my channel Bhuvneshwari Party. So today we will be testing out some Sugar Cosmetics products, and I think they are perfect for the monsoon season. So because monsoon is arriving soon, I will be testing out some products which will be waterproof, and you will see it, like you and I will test it together, and let's see if they are perfect for this monsoon. So guys, I have got some Sugar Cosmetics products, so I will definitely show you what I've got very quickly. And I have already did my base makeup, and whatever is rest I will be using that from Sugar Cosmetics. So yeah, let's try out the products now. So these are the products that I will be trying from Sugar Cosmetics, and I will be completing my makeup with these products. And then later on you will see how I will test the products. I will splash some water on my face and we will see if the makeup comes out or not. So yeah, I'm so excited to try this, and I know you guys are excited too. So please don't skip and watch it till the end, and let's see the final results. So guys, first I will be using this Sugar Cosmetics Smudge Me Not liquid lipstick in the shade 02 Brink of Pink, and I will be using this to like apply some colors on my eyes as well as on my lips and on my cheeks as well. So yeah, this is a multi-use product for us because we will be doing our eyes, cheeks and lips with this. It's a very nice bright pink shade, so yes, I know this will match my outfit color very nicely. So I will apply some of the lipstick directly onto my eyelids, guys. I'm scared. I don't know if it will blend or not because it is a very matte lipstick. So guys, can you see I have blended the lipstick very quickly because as it will set on my eyelids itself, and it gives such a nice color to my eyes. Oh my god, I love this shade. So guys, I'm done with both the eyes, and you can see the pigment is so beautiful and the shade is so beautiful as well, and it looks stunning on my eyes and I'm loving it. So now it's time to do the cheeks, to apply the lipstick on our cheeks as blush. So I took some lipstick on my palm, and then I'm just like making it little bit creamy by adding a little bit of moisturizer to it, and then I'm mixing both of them, and here we got our beautiful shade. Now it's time to set our entire face with a translucent powder, and for that I will be taking the Sugar Cosmetics All Set to Go translucent powder. Now it's time to do a wing liner, and for that I will be using this Sugar Cosmetics Arrested for Overstay Waterproof Eyeliner in the shade 01. I will be black. So guys, I love the liner tip so much. It was so easy to do a wing liner using that. So now I will be using this Twist and Shout Fade Proof Kajal 01 Black Velvet. So guys, now it's time for some mascara, and for mascara I will be using this Sugar Cosmetics Uptown Curl Lengthening Mascara. and I will just dip the mascara wand in loose powder, and I will apply it so that the mascara is also waterproof. So guys, as you can see, I have coated the mascara wand. So guys, I think you can see, guys, I've coated the mascara wand with some loose powder, and now I will apply it. Guys, we are almost done with our makeup. I have to just apply some lipstick and we will be done. So guys, and here we are done with the final look. Now it's time to test this makeup if it is waterproof or not. So fingers crossed. I will be splashing some water, as I've said you guys earlier. I'm so scared. This makeup looks so good and I don't want to like melt down the makeup with water, but we have to do this to just prove that this is monsoon ready and we can wear this out during rainy days. And even though all the people there out will say that our makeup will melt, but it won't. So for that we have to do this test. So yeah, get ready, good luck to us, and let's see. I hope we will pass this test. So guys, here I have took some water, normal water, plain water, and I will just like drop it on my face. I will put a like towel or something so that I won't ruin my dress. Yeah, we are doing this, guys. As you guys can see, I have like my face is dripping wet. It's not just normal, but you can see how wet it is, and we are gonna test it with the tissue paper now. So you guys can see there's no makeup in the tissue paper, like whatsoever I did. There's no makeup in the tissue paper, although I have like मेरा कुर्ता गीला हो गया पर मेकअप नहीं उतरा है. So good. Like we have passed this test, you guys. You can see there's no makeup, literally no makeup at all coming in the tissue paper. So yeah, this is a like 10 on 10, like we are pass. I think so. You guys let me know if you like this video or not. I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, stay safe.